I mean, ask you, like, where are the biggest money pull up you ever get?
Why? I did a barefoot man dash 12,000 per me.
Oh, but, yo, what's going on, guys? Ash Belize here, and we're inside the Unbranded studio for an Unbranded interview with the hottest sound in Belize. If they are guys not up your party probably not lit. We have YG in the house, Solo, and Sag.
Yeah, bless up Ash, ready say.
How you go?
Everything good, everything good.
All right. So, first question. How you get the name Sag and how you get the name Solo?
Who first?
Anyone I wanna.
How I get the name Sag, that for a girl from a word, Sagadi.
Uh-huh.
So, when I reach high school, I'm tired of they call me DJ Sagadi. So I say, alright, I was shot with my name to Sag. So I had a Sag now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and Sagadi means weed, grass.
Weed grass?
Yeah.
Anyone?
Anyone? Yeah.
Alright. I learned something today. So when I want to leave with, I say, bye, can you so Sagadi?
Yeah, smart.
Okay.
That if they are Griga or Hopkins
Okay.
or so.
I'm thinking because you like Sag or something.
No.
Well,
How
my
you get the name
name,
Solo?
that come from my uncle, because he does
Okay.
call everybody Solo. Once he meet you, like, yeah, Solo.
Uh,
So, that's like an inheritance.
Okay.
You know?
And where are you guys from for those who don't know?
We have Dan Griga,
Yeah.
Alright.
culture capital.
And how two of you guys meet up?
We live
We
by the
live
same
on the
street.
same street.
Yeah.
One stretch.
Alright. And how did you know that DJing was something that you guys like?
Well, the only opportunity where they both for we because everybody may do it at that
Yeah.
time there, you know, and that time they way out for we because my uncle does do it, you know, and my friends, my neighbors, you know, cause Emo and then I was live right round the corner,
Yeah.
you know.
Alright. And how about you? When you start DJ?
I started DJ like 2009. I'm just like 10, 11. You feel me? And I never know if me I become something where I make money off for be my passion.
So you may do it more for the love.
Yeah, like for the fun. To when me and Solo join up and I like, alright.
Yeah, I just may ask you, like, may I segue from it to how did you guys form the group Young Generals? Like, how did that get started?
I would say DJ Kyle, he does have like a podcast.
Yeah, internet
Where he
radio.
does do like an internet radio, and we may end up that Biggs the CEO studio.
Okay,
Mhm.
big up the bigs.
Yeah, shout out to Biggs the CEO.
Yeah.
We end up at his studio, and we end up do like what
Live.
set together,
Yeah.
and then I like, oh, why we not just be a crew?
Come together,
Because
yeah.
I just left from the previous crew. I am like the freelance.
And
Which crew you made? You screw me there.
I'm there with Krong Heights.
Krong
At
Heights.
that
Big up
time,
to
there,
Krong
yeah, big up
Heights.
Krong
Right.
Heights, big up Emo, the whole crew.
But before we join up on the internet radio, Casanova me had a Christmas drive.
Yeah.
And later Solo, me just go for work. Cause Solo na mechanic, you know.
Uh-huh.
You know
Mechanic?
car-
No, man.
Solo na mechanic.
I don't mechanic
So,
long time. But
I
just
come,
chill.
I reach by the event. And no mic man made it there for me. So I hurry run home for Solo. I said, but I need to carry it. Me and we close the show, stage broke it away.
Yeah.
Sure.
How far then?
With that lit.
Yeah.
And how did you guys come up with the name Young Generals?
Right in a big
Right,
studio
a big
again.
studio.
Come up with all kind of stupid names.
Yeah.
And how did that one stick? Like, how did you know? Yeah, boy, this that the name
Because
where
at
we
the
were
time, I'm a young
He
too.
be young.
I'm just 16.
Yeah, and I am the one that could
Yeah.
generate everything, and so we just put Young General.
And nobody never want to deal with business
Yeah.
through
Nah.
me. So I forgot to him.
Yeah, he
like,
know the businessman.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how the name. Then afterwards,
Uh-huh.
it cut down to YG.
Yeah.
Because
Abbreviation.
when people me call we YG, we are like, oh, not the top ball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think that one? Alright, Young
I
General
start feeling it as a
abbreviation.
boy.
Yeah.
Nice. And when I made like the first gig where two want to play pan together, when I made the reaction people
As
made.
YG,
Yeah.
George Fair.
No, I would have say Richie Galvez' birthday.
Yeah, when we get with break.
When we get a breakthrough,
Yeah.
because I have to shout out to Richie, because at first, you know, Richie, me don't see how we play and thing.
Mm.
So for make we may get pan for his birthday, that done me a big break for we. So I have to big up Richie for
Big up
that.
Richie all the time.
Yes.
You know. The fight where we gone true for play.
That night, man.
That never joke, fams.
As a young song,
Yeah.
because Jago got before with Dollar,
Everybody.
Cloud9. Yeah, so we may end up with close.
We come with for we smiley white player. And
still up on YouTube.
Yeah, we got
too.
the video. I was sending the link so you could play it at the same time for us. Show them the growth.
Yeah. So all the ball before now. And when on the command, how the crowd may.
We never may expect that because what happened is they don't beat out all
The top 10.
everything done gone. So that like we know if pick up the slack, but they may forget to play hip hop.
Alright.
Yeah.
And we may go really flavors in that half of Gilla because Gilla does be the more hip hop man at that time.
Yeah.
So that's how we may end up capitalizing and he may come out good fan there. Fan there that the real
Like with
breakthrough.
him,
Yeah. And what am I like some of like the biggest challenges you guys face when you just made the start? Because I know when they get fight and a lot of people probably never want to give another big break.
Well,
Urban that you may done the park Crown Heights, maybe you may already go Wally.
one of our biggest challenge was COVID, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
You know, COVID really shake way up and thing. And then we kind of come back in a COVID too because we made do live streaming for DJ Dollar show and that put we power next level again. You know, so as COVID broke way, pop way again.
But for me personally, COVID, like for me, I'm going through like a mental breakdown. You feel me? I mean, if tell solo by I don't want to DJ again. Yeah, and you want people to see my face.
He didn't want to come out.
So. And that's how we may add Jenna.
Okay.
You feel
Big
me?
up to Jenna.
And that's how we may add Jenna. The first show in COVID, open up back her, how you say?
Me and Jenna end up going about with it together for real.
Okay. Me and Jenna. So
big
big up Jenna.
I know Jenna bad long time to cause my Megania DJ competition.
Yeah, me send her in there.
So what motivate like you guys to keep going to like push forward, like no matter what happen, guys, this the YG, we they have to stay. Like what motivate you to keep going every day?
Well, the people, you know.
Yeah.
Everything fall back for the people, the support where we get, you know, they in abundance.
Yeah.
We just want to make Griga look good, right?
Correct.
Go away for us.
The bad song from Griga, once you hear that.
One thing,
yeah.
but the steer.
Our slogan.
Correct. And like, who are some of like the DJs who inspire on the guys in the industry?
For start with from Dan Griga, I would have said DJ Allo. You know, real foundation. Yeah. Father Biko, Regime, you know, Select Tagwagwa.
Timeless
songs, rest in peace.
Yeah.
Emo, Tunks. Everybody, you know, everybody.
And the person who showed me about DJ, who inspired me, and I'm a DJ. But big up Bronco every time.
Bronco, big up yourself.
Yeah,
man. And so next question, what are like you guys' proudest moments so far as a song crew together? Like what that one moment like why?
Oh.
Yeah, we're there, dog.
Well, we just do that the other day, young brother.
Okay.
Yeah, and Fidepa Music Festival every year, time after time.
BTB Music
thing,
Fest.
You know, then there are thing where, you know, make it feel big because we never does dep on the show. We just would have to pay if we go to our event. No, we dep on all the events. We get the nice rooms. We get.
That's all?
You know.
You're giving a regular room again.
And the first BTB show we play last with our last DJ because we open for
headliners.
Yeah. And we play a song Papers and we hold the crowd. Gotta watch the crowd.
Why?
You feel me? I'm like, alright.
Yeah, but I watch you know, but I watch you doing the thing, you know, the level of control we want to have with the crowd different. Like when you tell if you buy light up the place, everybody light up the place, and I'm sure we got a clip of that as well. But yeah, man, it's nice to see that level they were under the reach. I know everybody got that control of the crowd like that, you know.
Yeah.
And then the fans and the people they really respect, you know. And I noticed that everywhere on the go, boy, everybody hype for CYG.
Yeah.
So man, it's a good look.
We just
Well,
make everybody happy.
TikTok.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, how has like on a DJ style evolved from what part on the day to one of them now? Because I know when on the start is probably like a different way on it does play than how on play right now.
Well, it changed a little bit because at first we was play like hip hop and anything, but now the whole evolution changed.
Yeah.
You know, they got good hip hop now, but still no up to par. So right now we in our dancehall trap right now.
Yeah.
You know, a trap dancehall era
Yeah.
whereby that way the people want. Yeah, you understand.
And I feel like you only two only responsible for the push all in you dancehall. I bro. One thing, I don't know man like play that then they but when you come on like yo, I don't know by YG the call it all in
No, not
They-
necessarily.
they-
Thanks to
no,
TikTok.
no,
Thanks to
no.
TikTok, no.
Yeah.
Thanks to
TikTok.
Yeah.
Got a wave
yeah.
that they you find what
All the
people
bad thing,
listen to, you know.
Okay. But yeah, boy, I say, boy, when you go to dancehall, let's give YG that dancehall there, boy.
No,
'cause
man,
they
we
are-
could-
we are
we
mash-
could-
I know,
right
I
now,
know,
they're
no,
just
I
one
know, I
style.
know,
Just
no mash
them
up,
In any dance.
I know, no mash up anything, right? But
Yeah.
I think people more know, no, like, oh, no, come on, no, got
Yeah,
that.
you see that, fans?
Yeah.
We got so places where we go play, right?
Mm.
And then like the owner of the club would have come
Nah.
and be like, play the dance. Oh.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
tell
but
her
so
like,
it,
mama,
you know, call
you know,
for that.
call for
Correct,
that, you know?
correct. It's all about the location.
Yeah.
But I feel like
We
when,
could read the crowd, fans,
Yeah.
you know?
yeah.
Also,
And-
all the experience, I think.
Correct. Because I
Yeah.
see on a play some mad reggaeton
Yeah, we
and
could-
hip hop and all
When
that
we there
stuff there.
barefoot, we could play the best
All
of
the
pop,
funky
R&B,
tongue,
yeah,
everything.
anything.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
That us, the crowd, we could read the
Mm.
crowd.
Correct.
You just get up, all right, let's mix sag. He don't know if you do.
Yeah, you know have to tell the man.
No,
much, man
no,
don't
no,
know.
no.
I like that, man. I like on a chemistry, kind of like that take time for build.
That now we differentiate
Yeah.
we from the others, cause we don't work out, you know.
Me
No
really
man.
see him.
So,
No.
Yeah.
boy, you would think that only work out every day.
No, really see. We like just
What
see
is
each
that? We
other.
have time for work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
dig?
Okay. Cool. So what are something where people don't understand about being a part of a song crew? Because there are a lot of song crew in Belize and a lot of them don't make it. A lot of them don't survive.
Yeah.
What are something people don't
It's
understand?
communication and like transparency.
Yeah, transparency are the biggest thing.
man.
So you don't have to work out. None at all.
No. I would have just tell he buy, get this, get that.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't get it.
Okay.
Sometimes we
when
reach in
weekend-
at the dance.
Yeah,
he
well-
ain't get it yet, you know.
Yeah.
Let's put that close so people could hear you good.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Show off my bad ring. But so transparency, very
Mm.
Yeah,
important.
because a lot of song crew they bout, but money are the biggest problem in the crew. And
Money mess
we
up
don't make
anything.
that be a problem because let's say I charge X amount of money and right now only me and Sag there. So if I charge 800,
Mhm.
400 are for me,
For that
400
thing.
are for him.
Right.
So if they send the deposit of 400, that for me,
Correct.
Sag will get the balance. That's
Okay.
how it work. And
But I wouldn't take that to the saga. Wow. If they send 4, give me 2, and then you take
No,
2.
He
back.
don't want
Just
it.
in
I
case
don't
it
like
drop.
that. I don't
Just
like
in case
no.
it drop through.
No,
I
you see,
feel like
when
I
it
work
comes
for
to that
nothing.
part now,
Why?
you see, that was a good question like this. So.
I know, like
No, because you know sometimes the dance not make it, and then promoter call like, boy, well.
No,
You
that's
know?
why we don't do that with shaky promoters.
Yeah.
Okay, good,
Yeah,
good,
we know
good.
once we know your thing shaky,
No,
we
mess
in
with
our
that.
book it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how you could identify when a promoter shaky like?
Cause Belize small fans. We
Yeah,
don't know
but-
who the who. We don't know who
But
good
some
for
people
it.
might
and
have money and not look like they have money.
We know who
know
good for
everything
it.
that word I'm out, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah?
We know who
Yeah.
good for
Right,
it.
I'll take on the word panic.
Yeah.
All right. So, like I said, how do you guys keep it strong on a set transparency? Not much communication.
Yes,
Yeah.
we communicate.
Not
we
much
talk,
chemistry
but
take.
we don't hang out. Sag got his own set of friends. I got
Ah.
my own set of friends.
Yeah.
Okay.
You dig?
So, question: whether like the biggest disagreement you guys had, like
we don't got that.
We know
No?
that.
No.
The only thing that must be like
why?
time.
Okay.
Time here late. I have to
Yeah.
wait for he 20
So
minutes.
there
Is
he
it like
late
today?
though.
We're late, right?
Yeah. You know, Belizean.
All the time.
He tell me he did a rap view.
Uh,
The time he must have just said that zoo, you know.
But never. But
Yeah.
anyway, I understand.
so, how do you guys think like YG the impact the DJ industry right now at this moment?
Well, we did do a good job because
Yeah.
we did change the game for a lot of other DJs who want to step up because they got some of them where can't take constructive criticism.
Facts.
Yeah.
Feel
and
like that
way-
insult or
I gonna try explain that to one for Griga. I tell her, bro, you're alright and thing, but you need to get so nice clothes and
Correct.
you
Just
know,
the part.
the image.
Correct.
Why this man gonna blast me on Facebook?
No, we're strong.
I had to tell her.
I don't want clash.
Want clash me, all kind of thing. And I just try advise her in the best way possible. You know, because this that about the image, just a name about,
Correct.
you know.
Correct. And that's why I feel like a lot of people don't make it because they don't want to listen, bro. Like you could tell them and they take it the wrong way. Check it just to try to help them out.
But the impact where we bring as YG, like we help Belizean artists.
Yeah.
Well, when we start,
we care
we-
about Belizean artists.
yeah, when we start for we YG life,
That we put
Yeah.
the Belizean thing on a different scale with Papa John,
yeah,
Casanova, King Brock,
Yeah.
King Rome, you know.
and I say we have to call it a different style, and that's how we start playing one Griga artist. We start with
We
Griga
care about
artists.
when we get shows.
Yeah.
We have to recommend that I want to bring Papa John or
Correct.
this one King
Casanova.
Rome, Casanova,
Yeah.
and when they got shows, they bring we.
Yeah.
You understand?
Since we talk about artists right now, what are your thoughts on the current state of the music industry?
Well, to be honest with you, they not like me for this, but the industry got a lot of gatekeepers right now, cause
Think so?
a lot of youths say bus and then they don't get the bus because they don't know yes man.
And
Yeah.
the artists that we don't experience they're lazy right now.
And then a lot of them know they do
Agree.
the real part of the music. So man just want to come and rap and oh you sound good. I put in a studio, I record you, I will upload your music for you, but you don't know about the digital world in a music. You understand? And that the way a lot of the people that they you know how you exploit
Yeah.
the artists they want to know what they going in the industry.
Correct.
So they prefer work with them there than work with the one there where they know they can't chance.
Yeah.
You understand?
And I my thought on it that like I feel like a lot of Belizean artists kind of wait for people to do things for them, bro.
No.
Like no man, like seriously, like if you the artist, bro, you can't wait for Ash push your music, bro. You have to push your own music.
Yeah, I understand what they say.
And one other thing to me that like if your stuff hot, bro, it will get played.
See
If
the
the stuff is
platform,
good.
it's an easy platform.
You see what I say? Everything they right
TikTok.
at your fingertips, bro. Like you just put
But-
it out. If it hot, it will get forward.
The artists they don't have topics.
Yeah.
You know, everybody will sing about this on the bad mind me.
The good producers there, what happened?
Happen.
They know they help. They don't want.
Big
But I say
Zaffa start
perfect.
back.
Put a lot on it
Big
for-
Zaffa
for,
start back.
rhythm.
Yeah, he put who he want on the rhythm. You
Ah,
understand?
I see what I say.
Yeah.
Okay. But imagine you come with your, if you save up your league coins now and you come and say, yo, bro, I want to record. You think the man not record? Or you go to our Junimar and say,
Junimar or Ricardo?
Junimar record.
okay.
Yeah.
So if you go to our Junimar with your money now and this man record you.
Yes, but Junimar rhythm not as good as Perf rhythm. You understand me?
I'm not sure about that.
Junimar
Because that
Punta.
two different genres you can't really compare, right?
Yeah, but
Junimar run punta.
yeah. Perf got the more dancehall trap rhythm where could bust any youth right now. You understand?
Yeah. But the thing is, he record a lot on there and someone in a bus.
No fam, but exactly.
You see what I
Right?
say?
But then they got the one there where could a boss when I get the rhythm.
So you just said the man should have give more artists.
Then pick
chance.
who you want, put the rhythm out there, and then you make the alright, submit. Remember now, when a rhythm bust at Jamaica, everybody get their thing. But certain people know meet the requirements.
Correct.
That's how you build an industry.
Right. But you don't think that you have to kind of build up a name for yourself and make these people respect you and want to put you up on a radio?
Yes,
No, but you have to start fast. So
But yes, I know they say not give them a chance, you give them a chance, bro. But if I don't see you to try, bro, why would I give you a chance?
No, but they got so youth were
You
hungry
are-
for
you
it,
also-
but
you
they
also
get
want-
ignored.
You also want that people upon your rhythm bring the fire. You want to make sure that they got something, or even if you just start, bro, at least do some leave fake recording so that you got something, at least record by your phone so that I could hear something for you.
Yeah.
But if you come to me and you don't have nothing, it kind of difficult for me I take you serious. You have to got something.
I could carry this, drag this all the way, but make we not lament on this. Because at the
Maybe
end of the
this,
day,
maybe this interview make they change their mind
at the
and
end
step
of
up
the
the
day,
game.
Right.
night.
Cause YG,
Yeah.
YG, there, for use their song for mash up in the dance.
Yeah.
Correct. But yeah, big up to all the producers in Belize, man. And big up to all the artists, young, old, everybody where they try. I just feel like we need to push more.
Yeah. Well,
Regardless of your level right now.
where you
Push
put
more.
in and where you get out. But
Yeah.
like I say, they still need help.
Right.
Right?
So now that you guys are like the big sound in Belize, you would say the top sound right now, arguably. Do you feel like a responsibility for bring up younger DJs?
Well, yes, but who want it? Because I can't force it by you.
Correct.
Right? I can't.
Yeah, so young
who want
DJs now want to start from the bottom. They feel like as they start DJ,
Alone
do-
hit song.
yeah,
And
feel
I
me?
say where.
Correct.
play a lot of hit song for like 20 minutes, then Friday they want like $500,
Like,
$600.
I still go through it, Jenna. I would
Yeah.
tell her, Jenna, you create young. You create young.
Put
And
some
he will
old thing
argue
in
with me. Yeah. Put some old thing in there.
Correct.
You need the old thing there, for structure your thing good. The real
Yeah.
way. So you can stand up in a dance.
That's why Jenna sound good now. 'Cause I work
Yeah.
with her. Hand in hand, I work with her.
You ever gone to a party where you had the mic and he
No,
never did
me
it?
no mic. Me no
No, you
mic.
just play.
Yes, you make the key car the other day.
By only 7 people me the
Ah. So, no opinion, like what's the proper way to build a dance?
Just study your crowd.
Yeah.
Feel me?
Because a lot of man don't know if to build a dance, A lot of man don't know if to play hours and hours and hours,
Fam, when we
So-
got
so
a
like-
key
so
car,
like-
What
Yeah.
you want?
from 10 to 4 sometime.
Yeah.
Nobody want to go home.
Yeah.
Correct.
You dig? And then so
feel
Drake.
like, I feel like a lot of like South man, like we just play hours and hours and hours and hours and hours.
That how we
Like the ballet a Placencia, the ballet a beach for 12 o'clock to like 12 at night.
Yeah.
Hours and hours. But I feel like a lot of man don't know if they do anything. there.
remember now we got a sub crates.
Yeah.
Then that way juggling come in.
Correct.
Rhythm after rhythm after
Yeah.
rhythm after rhythm.
Take your time and
Just
Yeah. I see a lot of people like complain like about the kind of fast juggling, like just switch song to switch song.
Well-
But we don't know opinion for that.
that when the dance nice. And when the dance nice and the time is short, we need for
And now my style.
Yeah,
I
your
cut.
style.
I cut.
Cut, I go through.
So time for whole long the thing make you not touch it again because you the rush, yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
so that the time shot.
Yeah.
too.
Correct. I watch a video like last 5 minutes about it. He does it
Pepper.
one after the other. Like,
Yeah.
fuck that, boy.
We don't do that long time now because
Yeah,
that like
We don't have to rush.
you don't have to do it.
Yeah.
that's true. DJ with headphones. Why is that?
Honestly, that was something I'm a practice for. I start use virtual 2010, 2009.
Okay.
Yeah, so I read the beat.
Nice. So set it up before that. You don't have to use the headphone. You just read the beat while you go
I
along.
just read the beat. I cue my music for home.
A lot of people don't know if they do that.
Yeah.
Skills.
Headphone are confuse me.
All right. So the next big move for YG.
To be honest, I want to go international, but
Yeah.
it's rough. We get bookings for Miami Carnival October 13th, but
Yeah, but
we don't know how that look
We only
yet.
got
Ah,
passport.
Okay. Where they keep on about the trouble on with the papers?
Yeah, the Emma said a lot of things, you know, that the biggest hold back right now, but hopefully something work out with the association.
Yeah.
Cause we don't check somebody, but they say, you know, we not represent Belize, so BTB can't deal with it.
But what do you mean you represent Belize? You know
Because,
about Belize then?
Yeah, they say if that may Belize there, then they may have to facilitate it. But somewhere or somehow,
it will happen, man.
Yeah.
It will happen. I'm pretty sure a lot of people outside want to see one of the guys.
oh yes, man.
sure,
If we
for
go to
sure.
LA and go do a dance, man.
Ram. Crazy.
Who will agree got there LA right now?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of artists just gone too, bro. Like a lot of
Yeah.
them just gone.
I
Yeah,
know,
we
I
are
know.
bringing them along the way too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But nice, man. So whether some of the places where one or that want play, not have to be America, it could be anywhere in the world.
First class trip to Dubai.
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Play for one of the chic, the rich man.
Rich man, you know?
Yeah.
One night I don't rich.
Rich.
Yeah, you
Money pull up loud.
So, what are the most wildest party on the gun? Or played for, I should say.
Me first?
You first. Anyone I wanna?
Roaring Creek.
What happened?
Boy, I get frightened.
What happened?
Jesus.
I don't know if that the music make the people get wild.
Why?
You crazy, no?
Yes.
I know I go back to Roaring Creek again.
But
Tell
big
me
up
that-
Roaring Creek.
Big
I
up
don't know if
Roaring
the
Creek,
party.
but
I don't
Tell
know if
me
the
they start
party.
bust up
But
shot in the dance.
Jesus, all kind of thing.
Why?
yes.
Uno feel like they kind of music there, cars, they kind of thing there, like they.
No, that the alcohol, and sometimes, you know, the wrong crowd, the wrong.
True.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people feel like that, you know. Like remember, like a lot of parties when they try, or artists when they not bring in because they're afraid they influence the people in a bad ways.
That not the music. That's just the type of
music,
people that like. Okay, somebody big they come. Group A, going group B, going group A and group B no link, and when certain music come on, that like they throw subliminals, and then that way cause the problem. Not only music, to be honest, that's where they group up in the wrong place. Two bull kind of one pen.
Why that true?
Yeah.
But when you a dance and you the play, bro, and like that hype just there and like the music just hit you one after the other, like it build you up to like a certain level, and I think a lot of man can't control that. Like
no, we drop it back.
We
drop.
I will not bring back song.
Yeah. I tell Sack back. Jump in on some R&B. Jump in on some R&B. Change the vibes.
When we go in at R&B, man mode long.
Yeah,
but we don't care.
We go for the ladies.
I feel like with a good mic, man, you could change to anything.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, I feel like where are the biggest money pull up one ever get?
Why? I did a barefoot man dash 12,000 per me. But I so frightened. I give her back him money. I said,
serious?
Yes.
Why? I put a shit in my pocket.
Shout out to Rico Black.
Rico, big up yourself.
Yes.
One love.
Fam, he dash 12 grand and he end up giving about 200 each out. I'm afraid for that.
Why that crazy?
We need me want to pick it up.
Yeah. Frightened.
You get this man back?
I
You think the man may
I
jump?
feel like I don't know. He must go through something.
Nah.
And he just take
that me R&B when me the play, and me a Keisha Cole when me the play, a song must say touch, huh?
Girl stress.
Makobe?
Yeah. About 12 grand, man.
That song must say touch, Mr. Rico.
I had to give her back him money, G. I know when he get up tomorrow and
say, boy, that's true. Maybe the man gave over hype.
Yeah.
You know, but why that nuts. I don't think any DJ and Belize get that kind of money pull up there yet.
They feel like with a lie, but that's true.
Other than the Roaring Creek party, what are the best event? I know you say Young Brother, me nice.
Yeah.
As in that, me like the hypest, like, or you, what would I call that? That was like
that one.
One moment where you feel like you're on your pinnacle, like you reach your climax. Like, why I got this control now. We there at the top now. But what was the best party for you guys who ever play for?
Let me see. We pay for too much party in the family.
That's true.
I like the party there in Placencia.
By me
to
and
be
you.
honest.
Me and
Yeah,
you.
nice.
Yeah.
But my best party there are for home, Islands.
You like islands?
Yeah, islands
Yeah,
too.
when-
Islands easy for we.
Yeah.
Really?
Like how no for Griga when no go play there, people like go off like treat like like for example like if a dollar go there, they hype up his dollar card and see all the time. But since you're not from there, you still get they still hype for you, know?
Yeah, normal thing. Once they see we are there, islands, they play shut down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mad.
Nobody else figure dance and sweet about.
But yeah. And YG that Griga nobody else figure dance. No, but Placencia bro, Placencia that was nice vibe because I feel like you could play anything out there too.
Yeah, Placencia are like home to men. Yeah, for me. Anyway, down south for Hattieville, go down. Yeah.
Whether some place in a Belize where you not play it, you another one play. Or maybe what event what happened in Belize where you not do it or another one do.
Like what, babe?
I would have said the Bellikin Day party.
Bellikin Day party.
Yeah.
Like all white.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, surprised I never had no
Can we go everywhere?
Yeah, we don't know everything. Project X, Bellikin Fest, you name it.
Uno think, okay, because like for example, Dutch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dutch that they consider Dutch a reggae DJ.
Mm.
Uno think people consider Uno a dancehall DJ? I feel, bro, by me looking at you guys, I feel like that is stigma. Like,
Yeah, but
there are guys that
So
they are coming with a hardcore dancehall.
no, we
Yeah,
could
but so
surprise
time-
them in the dance.
So
Yeah.
time him dance, I'll give we the
The forward, you get
Yeah.
the forward off for the
Yeah.
R&B sometimes.
Yeah, but I feel like that probably the stigma. Maybe that's why when they do like all white and anything, they must say, "Boy,
We don't need.
we don't need that hardcore."
Yeah, but
dancehall.
you just put with it and we are sure.
Yeah, and I still want to do all kind of different things. So I want to versatile, but I feel like that probably the stigma people feel like the boy, how come you with a roughness and
No, that
mash
about
up their
that.
dancer.
Nah.
You know,
We nice though.
yeah,
We could.
yeah.
You think?
Trust me, I know, bro. Me, I want to for like a lot of
Not
shows.
sure, yeah.
I know,
You
but
think?
so what's next, man? Like what are the plan? Any plan for more merch? Any plan for open a UYG shop with some
Well, the
YG
merch.
dolls and
The merch today, right? That's what I
yeah.
Griga that Impact.
Okay.
And she da like the.
Shit that
Okay.
we
She
plug.
do
like
she do
the-
printing and,
she do
and selling.
printing.
Just go right
Yeah,
there
and
and
she a call me and tell me so I don't sell 10 shirt. Yeah.
So why
commission
we
there.
don't move that like different events? Why don't just carry some? I know people are.
It costs, fams.
Yeah?
It costs. Right now, me got pick me, I got rent, I can't give a shirt.
No, you're not give it to you. Sell it.
Oh, yeah.
No man, you don't give away no. There are days that I have to give away, bro. Watch your money have to make. But I think that would be a good business, man. Whenever I want to go play, got somebody.
Not
get
the
somebody
shirt,
to sell
they
them.
can hide, man. Like, they got some people where I still, like, for example, Gila, I promised Gila a shirt for 2016.
Boy, I get that, boy.
And he not get a shirt yet, and if I have a post shirt, yeah, see he right in the comment section.
Yeah. Okay. But I feel like the next step that does more business, like
Well, the next step for me,
branding.
corporate, yeah, we
Yeah,
try go
branding.
corporate, but like I say, hard.
Yeah, I don't think it hard,
It hard. It
I
hard.
just think-
you
I
know
just
what I
think,
mean.
of a
You
day.
know what I mean. Yeah,
Yeah.
it hard.
Yeah.
You think?
What else? What I plan?
me,
Uh-huh.
August, I had to do a back to school drive.
Okay.
Yeah.
What he give back?
Yeah. School
Okay.
supplies, everything. I
Nice.
might do a black party for free for my street. Cause the
Okay.
last time we did a give back. We did it the islands and police locked me up for that. So I don't want to
Serious?
mess it a club again. Me don't want to mess it a bar, nothing.
Yeah.
So I
Lock
do
up
it
the man,
home.
chill.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. So any give back for you?
Right now,
I know we try and make it weird. That's a play.
till December. We usually give back in December. Yeah.
Yeah. So what are some upcoming shows where people could find,
We got a lot of events right now, fams. Yeah. Lot too much. We got Kyle, CKs, we got Las Vibras for Lobster Fest, we got Placencia Lobster Fest, we got
City.
Father Stone birthday, we got the Belize Day Party,
We
Tropics,
have,
Griga,
we have Dutch reggae,
Dutch
and
Reggae and
R&B.
R&B,
August.
August. 19th done book out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we book and New Year's done gone.
All the big dates. All the big days. Big holidays.
Yeah. 24th night.
Everything. Halloween.
Halloween done gone. Barefoot.
Trouble.
Yeah.
And if people want to contact you, how could they do that?
613 solo. That's my phone number.
613 solo.
Yeah.
Or they could email me.
Yeah.
Find me on TikTok, Jershan M.
Oh, but a big
At
fan TikTok
Gmail.
then.
only that I have.
Yeah, that's the only app where he have.
But
Yeah,
like
that
the
I
app I don't use none at all. I
Yeah.
don't buy.
And I got Facebook, Instagram,
No,
none of
yeah.
that.
TikTok.
Yeah, only
Got more
TikTok.
people
Go on
than
TikTok.
Facebook and
Yeah.
Instagram
Aye,
right
wouldn't
now.
doubt
And
Wouldn't doubt it.
they stay active more on TikTok than the
Yeah.
other app there.
But I need to jump on TikTok.
Yeah,
but
real.
Real for the business.
Yep.
So let's say uno get what gig the same night. Uno ever split up and go separate?
When Jenna made about,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
But right now,
But
we
if
can't
not,
do
we
it.
try to do
So
two of them.
General Mike Manto?
Jenna
Yeah.
could think by himself.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Any plans to add new members to YG?
Not right now. No.
This guy Balema Unite. How you name? PG.
No.
With that.
86.
No.
I know.
Okay, I think
No.
I think once when I see him in represent.
No, he does. He's a close friend to we.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
you know,
Big up
anytime we
to
just
86.
away and we got a PG.
Yeah. So how uno handle like how uno wifey and anything handle uno there all the parties in a trip when go how uno handle all the girl?
Why? Nah, pressure out. Well,
She
left
just
that
have
for
a
next
shot.
time, man.
She just have a shot.
Yeah, boy. But yeah, man, it was nice, chopping it up. And I think we missed out anything. We missed out anything.
Well, no.
Anything you want to tell the people where or whether one thing when they don't know about YG.
They know everything, bro.
Yeah, you see, I think we gone through everything. I don't think we missed nothing. But yes, guys, for the hottest parties, if you don't need the hottest DJs, be sure to book YG. I think the interview was nice. Be sure to follow them on what? TikTok.
Yeah.
You don't want
TikTok,
all on it. You don't want
Facebook,
Instagram.
Viber,
For TikTok, I
Instagram.
need day and night.
Day and night.
Yeah, and
for
thanks
TikTok.
to Ash Belize for even
Yeah.
bring it on this platform to see
problem,
where
Sure.
This was needed. I think people want to know the
Yeah.
Is that
origin.
we first interview?
first interview.
Yeah,
Yeah,
first
I'll
interview.
print this one. I'll put it
yeah
on the
this is the
wall.
first ever interview.
Thanks to
and I
Ash.
As well I get a visa. I don't know if it'll come back.
think- Yeah. This will be the reference, you know.
Mhm.
Yeah, man.
All right.
But I like to see one of them, man. I love to see the growth. We the thing for years.
Yeah,
I think
2015 for
Crown
a
Heights-
DJ Bug
for
name,
Crown
right?
Heights,
All right.
I just go play ecumenical.
Yeah.
Like, why? I don't know, G.
From DJ Bug.
Me, Gilla,
Gilly, DJ
Gilla,
Gilly,
Shane.
King Shane. Yeah.
Hardcore.
Long time, man.
Quite a long
The
time.
real way.
Yes, long time that is. But yeah, man, I wish you guys more success.
Yeah.
Thanks.
And I wish you more money as well, more everything. Build up where I want to build up, and just keep it going, man.
Yeah.
Be an inspiration for the next DJs when they come up, and bring out some more artists. Cause right now I feel like the artists they need some.
Yeah, I need some
They
strength.
need some strength. Real, that's a
Sure.
good way of putting it.
Yeah.
They need some strength, man. With that said, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. This is Unbranded Entertainment. Ash Belize, Solo, Sag. Oh, one more thing. I don't know a real name.
Yo.
You say your name just now, right? For TikTok, now what?
Day and night.
Oh, you said Jershan something?
Or on my email, but
Ah.
my real name not Jershan.
Alright, Jershan, what?
Solo.
Bye with your real I left that one. Whoever
Yeah.
could tell me what a solo real name in the comments, when I get a prize.
All right.
When I get a YG t-shirt, I don't know when I get it now.
No, I got my printing machine water,
What?
man.
Ah?
Yeah.
Buy print the thing I sell then when I go vote me someone. You need to wait for
Why?
you sleep up for money dog.
People don't like pay fam. They want you
Bro,
to
they
skin
want
in
pay.
and loan strength, you know. Yeah, these strength, my big
Yeah.
man. Loan strength.
But sometimes you have to cut that off, G.
Yeah.
because- Bro, if you're my friend, support me.
Yeah, give
Support my
strength.
business.
Give strength to a week out.
No man, you can't do that, man. Real friends will support your business, G.
Yeah.
Real, and even if they don't support, people will support. Because
No,
you got
for
right
sure,
people
now,
all
for
over.
sure.
right now, the complete strangers support we, bro. To be honest, we got.
And solidarity,
if-
that
if-
way you go.
If my family may support me, right?
Mm.
I got about 63 cousin. If one of me post a flyer,
They
if
share
one
that.
of my birthday and all of my cousins share that, boy, we live good.
By that true.
Yeah.
You dig? But a complete stranger.
Big up
rate
to
the
my
thing,
ma.
bro.
Yeah, big
Yeah.
up to my ma too.
Yeah.
And
Big
my
up who and
brother.
big up for you, cause
Yo,
Brother and sister.
everybody has to see this.
big up the whole of Griga. Big
Big
up
up.
Barefoot. Big up Placencia. Big up everybody. Big up the whole of Belize.
Big up Isla Road too.
Yeah. Big up
Alright.
the whole of Belize. You don't know. Said, big up car guys. Yeah, you don't say it.
The man need a car, guys.
Yo.
Yes, sir. With that said, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. My name is Ash Belize. Solo Grim, Sag. I'll find out his real name.
I'm out.
Put it in the comments. But this ad that we know, we're out. Peace.